Welcome to Bali, a place where sunrises feel magical and sunsets stay with you long after they fade. This isn't just a vacation, it's the kind of journey you'll remember for years. Start your trip in Seminyak, Bali's stylish hotspot, filled with cozy cafes and boutique shops. Ease into the island life with a golden sunset at Finn's Beach Club. A drink in hand, feet in the sand, just perfect. Spend the next day at Waterfalls Bali, one of Asia's biggest water parks that's full of fun and laughter. Later, dress up for a sunset dinner cruise with live music, ocean breeze, and dancing under the stars. On day 3, on your way to Ubud, visit Bali Safari and Marine Park for a close-up with the wild side of nature. Then, slow down in Ubud, the peaceful green heart of Bali. On day 4, enjoy a unique morning. Breakfast with orangutan. Then, visit a beautiful waterfall and try the Bali swing. For that perfect view, wake early on day 5 to hike Mount Batur and catch the sunrise from above the clouds. Then, go off-road with an ATV ride and feel the rush of white water rafting. On day 6, visit the serene Taman Ayun temple and then head to Nusa Dua. Here, it's all about peace, luxury, and the calm rhythm of the sea. On day 7, take a boat ride to Nusa Lembongan and Manta Bay for a day of snorkeling. Swim with colorful fish, explore vibrant reefs, explore the dramatic cliffs of Kelingking and the untouched beauty of Diamond Beach on day 8. It's wild, beautiful, and feels like another world. End your journey on day 9 at the Uluwatu temple. Watch the waves crash below and the sun dip behind the cliffs as you take in the enchanting Kechak fire dance. Because this is Bali, diverse, vibrant, and unforgettable. From beaches to jungles, temples to adventures, every moment here tells a story. And that story is yours.